No, right, you make video, just video on top. Alright guys, so I came to a drone training and as you can see, we're definitely not flying drones. We're learning advanced techniques for the recovery of drones. So that's what we're on right now. This is being led by the BDF specialists, you know. Senior individuals from the Forestry department and myself just tugging along. Alright, so maybe you can see the mosquitoes. You know, they're here for the journey as well. It's part of the experience. Not much talking will happen because I'll get tired. Alright, that's the view. Right. Definitely above the canopy. Yeah, so the drone was on a mission. It went up the hill and it did not come down the hill. So remember the nursery rhyme? Jack and Jill went up the hill. Well, Forestry, BDF and Tide went up the hill. Man say he don't know yet, he just got connecting.
I think we're at, like, hold on.
Oh, did that the way the drone there?
Yeah. I think we got too high. It's not high.
How the fuck man? Oh, you say we could up on the next side of the hill?
That's why it's still long time, G.
So we climb the hill and climb down the hill?
No, back here. Backyard, why they say.
Well, let me go so then. Turn the chair to the left.
That's why they say that backyard them and I know I'm not top right there. I know that backyard.
The thing is with this scale, with this deck, but he the watch, I can't tell.
With this map, you know, no. This thing different.
That's time they tell them get a GPS.
This thing the way different. You watching my one there, John? We there, you have blue dot, and this our part is one there.
Yeah, basically that, but that's our dart.
So what are the distance away from the...
So we to the blue dot.
That's the right one, so I tell you.
That's top of the hill then? Yeah.
Up there, grass.
See what you see? And it up on the grass, see that?
Yeah, let's walk straight, G. Bye. Call in the chopper, bye. I don't know if I want to climb down. If I had a GoPro.
That's how we used to take a picture of this.
What?
I got a video, man.
Good things we combine all these training to again. Techniques of finding drone. There are different ways, things you could use and advice for it.
Fucker.
Fucking mosquito the highway.
You want to vlog with this valley? He don't say far. That's what's back right.
Alright, on the hill. Me and Edgar.
What's up, Mr. Ryan?
Advanced techniques, guys.
All good too.
After this, we'll be thoroughly certified.
All good activity.
Offering consultancies to Belize and the wider region, Central
With all the
America.
Forest Department and the ministry. Yeah.
Sponsored by who?
It looks like ferns.
Man, it don't look like fern, man. It look like good.
Now about that.
You can fly around back.
So it's one propeller missing. Alright, bye. Expedition expert Edgar.
Yes, sir.
Expedition trek master, trail master. What about the landscape expert there?
Now we have the forest lead.
No,
Orton and tree.
Yeah, so it's a trail maker. That's good, better than a bulldozer.
The scout.
Yeah, the scout.
We have FCD.
You know. He assistant. The shirt dry though, you need it.
Where you going? Where you going?
And this are the project man, this are the man that fund everything and the drone.
He's a rich man, right? Also.
Sure, boy.
He crashed the drone.
The BDF that the gallon sugar, no just remember that. Yeah. Bye.
Alright, the journey back. Alright guys, advanced techniques, drone recovery, mission success. So one thing we learned, don't send the mission on the drone over hills if you don't know the height of the hill. What happened was that the drone crashed into a tree which was even higher than the hill. And so that's just, you know, led to more excitement in the field today. No one was injured yet. We have to climb down the hill, so let's hope for that. I'll give you an update as we go down the hill and then again when we reach to the bottom. But right now where we're at, we're in Belmopan. So from the sights, as you're entering Belmopan, you know, as you're entering Belmopan, you may be able to recognize that tower as you're coming in, and that's the way you would enter Belmopan. And so that's the major part of the city in that direction, right? And so right now we're on the hill. Yeah. Going down now. Yep. Down again. So everything is good so far. Whew. Talk about a journey. Tired. But it worked out good. That's how you don't do an expedition like that. Wrong shirt, wrong pants, wrong tennis, no water. You're asking yourself for trouble. Whew. Aye.
Don't pass the highest spot, right? Like down to the way corner. Then they come in.
Hey, Chicas, how you call it when you do a project and after the project you come and you discuss the faults and how you call that?
Postmortem?
Yeah, we post-mortem up right now. At least we never had to.
Log up there and everything.
Man, do after action.
This is the post-mortem right now, I call it right now.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Anybody who think they're important and special, just tell me, I'll blur your face.
Action review.